Hey everyone, my name is Johnny.
And I'm Justin.
And we'd like to welcome you to FNBO's Dollar Bills, a little series dedicated to the dudes and their dinero, not the actor. We're talking all things moolah here.
On this series, men young and old will find advice and maybe a few life hacks that are gonna help them be the best they can be financially.
For instance, smart savings, budgeting, and credit scores. Do you even know what yours is or how spending and swiping affects it?
What about renting or leasing a living space or vehicle? Is one better than the other all of the time? Do you have a budget or know how to make one?
We got you. We're gonna cover stuff like this and a lot more as time rolls on. So be sure and subscribe. You're going to want to be in the know.
Before we go, here's a freebie. Cash savings. When saving for the future, most people think retirement holdings. That's all well and good, but are you prepared to survive when disaster hits, like losing your job or if a medical event occurs? Most experts recommend having anywhere from 3 to 6 months' expenses worth in liquid savings. That means cash, my guy.
I know what you're thinking. Easier said than done, right? Well, just do what you can to contribute to your non-retirement accounts when possible and leave it. You'll thank me. Actually, you'll thank yourself later. Okay, that's it for now. Like I said, be sure and subscribe for more tips and financial wisdom. Until next time, I'm Johnny.
And I'm Justin. Thanks for watching the Dollar Bills.